Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we'll build one end-to-end black generation generating AI tool using this llama. So first of all we'll see llama 2. Okay, so this is from Meta. So this is a open source, so you can use your free download models also. So here you can see llama 2, Meta llama 3, and Meta llama. Okay, these are the LLM models providing by Meta. Okay, so for that one, what we required here is, so already I downloaded that LLM2 from this Hugging Face. If you see this Hugging Face, and here, so come to Hugging Face and come click on the models, and I can search for that. This is one I'm using actually. So come to models, search for this. So this is Llama 2 7B chart GGML. Okay, this is the one. And if you see the files and versions, and you can come to down, and this one, so it is having 7.16 GB. Okay, so this one we need to download. So actually I downloaded already, so this is the file I'm downloaded. And once you downloaded this file, and so we need to set up the environment. So to set up the environment, there are the two ways. One, you can use first pip install environment, and after that you can use pip shell. I'll show you the comments also. So we can show it pip install env, and after that you can use pips env shell. Using this pip env shell, you can enable the environment. Okay, so right now I already installed this pip one. So now I'm enable this one. Okay, pip env shell. So using that, I'm enabling this virtual environment. Okay, it is now enabled on this virtual environment. And here first we need to see the requirements.txt. So these are the packages are required to work with this application. Okay, so to install this one, you can use the command like pip install hyphen or requirements.txt. It will install the all the required things whatever we mentioned here. So if it is installed to manually, you can go with the pip install one by one. You can install like pip install Streamlit, pip install Python box, and pip install Langchain. You can install. Okay. So once this installation is done, then now you can come to that app.py, app.py or new.py, both are okay. So come to the app.py. So here I am created one UI using the Streamlit. So what it will do, it will you generate one GUI interface. So here what it will do, it will create the page title as a block generation. Okay, header is also block generator, and there is some text area block topic. This text area we need to mention what topic you want, and here number of words, how many words you want about that blog. And this is another one is like to whom we need to generate. So I mentioned given one drop down like to select persons like Java developer, data engineer, or normal people to whom you want to generate this blog post, because this blog post I'm generating related to job profile. That's what I'm giving drop down like this. Okay, so finally we need to call this get llama response, then it will call this method. So here I am passing input as three inputs, same what we are using right there. These are the same three inputs we are passing from the UI. So those inputs are like input text is from block topic, another one is number of words you want, another one is for writing a blog for to which whom, for that one. These are the three inputs I am passing. And here is the model. I am giving the model name is this. What is the model name? So already I downloaded, this is the model name I'm passing as a argument for this one. So if you see, this is the long chain packages. Okay, so if you see this model name and the model type and configuration, some configuration I'm giving like maximum token level 256, temperature as 0.1. Okay, So coming to the template, what this template will do here. So whenever you call this method, right? So this template will generate the context. So for example, if you are passing input as a Java, so write a blog for Java, job role for the topic, and this verse is 200 words. So it will create one template. This template will pass input as this prompt template. Okay, so this prompt template, again, if you see, these are the three arguments, it will come here, then template it will pass. So finally it will call this LLM. So once this call this LLM will generate the response, and this response I am returning back to the UI. Okay, UI means again this is the response it will show. Okay, so this is the all about this project. Okay, so mainly one thing we need to, whenever running this one, if you are getting any errors related to that libraries, you can just install using the pip install commands. Okay, if you see the again this project structure, I have this model and this I have this environment, all these things. Okay, okay. Now let's run this one. To run this one, we need to use the command like streamlight run app.py. So it will take yeah. Now it is started. Now you can see it is started localhost 8501, and yeah, file is running. Now if you see the black generation, if you see that our streamlight UI thing here, so black generator. So here is a block generator. Now apart from that, we have this please we have enter the number of words and write the block for drop down, right? So you can go here. So enter number of the write a block for this. For example, if I mention like Java as my topic and word is 50 words, and I given this is for Java developers, right? So and click on the generate block. So now it will generate the block based on these three arguments. It will show you. Okay, let's see. So it will take some time based on the internet connectivity. And also I am giving very less, only 50 number of words I given only 50. We'll see. Still it is taking, still it is running only. So Streamlight is a, so using Streamlight you can able to deploy this one also. We'll see how to deploy this same thing into the cloud. So we have the Hugging Face environment, there we can deploy all these generative AI projects actually. So in Hugging Face we have the Streamlight support to deploy this one. So in the further videos we can see that one. Still it is running only. Yeah, now if you see it given the response, this is some topic it is given as per the 50 words it is given. Okay, so I'm selected Java developer. If I change this to common people and try again, it will give the different response now. I'll give this code into that my Medium page. You can go through that Medium page link, and you can take that code and try with yourself. So here I'm using LLM2 from the Meta. So there are another LLMs also from OpenAPI, Google Gemini. There are other things also there. In the further videos, we'll see how to use those APIs also. LLMs. We can go with this code one more time. So here is the streamlet related to UI, and our LLM call from here, generating the response from LLM2 model. This is the main actually. So this will returning the response. Yeah, now it is received. Now see, now it is coming the different response, right? So like this, you can build your own blog generator AI. Okay. Thanks for watching.